guys! Welcome back to Hows of Us channel. I'm really excited to dive into today's topic with you. We're always looking for ways to improve ourselves, to feel better, and to live healthier lives. And that's exactly what this channel is all about. I've been on my own health journey, and I've learned so much along the way. So sharing these insights with you all is something I'm truly passionate about. Remember, every small step counts, and we're in this together. Kung bago ka pa lang dito, or if you've been silently watching for a while, now's the perfect time to officially join our community. Don't forget to hit that like button if you find this video helpful, subscribe to stay updated with all our new content, and super important, click that bell notification icon. Why? Para updated ka sa mga health tips natin, mga practical advice, and maybe even some healthy recipes down the line. We want you to be the first to know when we drop a new video. Ngayong araw, pag-uusapan natin ang 5 ways paano mabilis pumayat. And I know, mabilis can sometimes sound like a red flag, but hear me out. Oh, mabilis, pero ang focus natin dito ay healthy at safe, ha? Walang crash diet o extreme na pagugutom. We're not about those quick fixes that don't last, or worse, harm your body. Gusto natin sustainable at practical, yung mga paraan na pwede mong i-integrate sa pang-araw-araw mong buhay without feeling deprived. It's about making smart choices, not drastic ones. Alright, let's jump into our first tip, and it's something so simple, yet incredibly effective. Uminom ng tubig bago kumain. It's not just about hydration, though that's a huge part of it. It's about how it interacts with our body's hunger signals and our eating habits. Maraming beses, we misinterpret our body's cues. Dehydration can often masquerade as hunger, leading us to reach for a snack when all our body really needs is a good glass of water. So, before you grab that bag of chips or that extra serving, pause and think, am I really hungry or could I just be thirsty? Try mo uminom ng isang basong tubig, mga 250 to 300 ml, around 30 minutes bago ka kumain ng main meal mo, breakfast, lunch, or dinner. This isn't about chugging down liters right before you sit at the table, but a gentle preload. Nakakatulong ito para mabawasan ang food intake mo dahil medyo busog ka na agad, or at least your stomach has some volume in it. It creates a sense of fullness, making you less likely to overeat. Moving on to tip number 2, and this is a cornerstone of any healthy eating plan. Kumain ng whole, unprocessed foods. When we talk about whole foods, we mean foods that are as close to their natural state as possible. Think about it. Food that grows from the ground, comes from a tree, or is raised humanely, rather than something created in a factory with a long list of ingredients you can't even pronounce. Ang ibig sabihin nito, iwasan natin hanggat maaari ang mga instant, processed, at junk food. These foods are often loaded with empty calories, unhealthy fats, excessive sugar, and sodium, not to mention artificial additives and preservatives. While they might offer convenience, they rarely offer the nutrients our bodies truly need to thrive and to effectively manage weight. So ano ang dapat nating piliin? Mas piliin ang gulay. All colors of the rainbow. The more variety, the better. Mga prutas na natural na matamis at puno ng vitamins. Lean meat like chicken breast or fish, which are great sources of protein. Itlog, a powerhouse of nutrients. At whole grains tulad ng brown rice, quinoa, or oats instead of refined white bread or pasta. These foods provide sustained energy, fiber, vitamins, and minerals that keep you feeling full and satisfied. Whole foods are generally more filling because of their fiber and water content, and they are nutrient-dense, meaning you get more nutritional bang for your buck. At mas mababa pa sila sa calories compared sa processed counterparts nila. The beauty of whole foods is that they work with your body, not against it. Chapter 3. Maglakad araw-araw, ang simpleng hakbang na may malaking epekto. Our third tip is all about getting your body moving. But don't worry, hindi mo kailangan agad ng expensive gym membership or complicated workout routines. Ang pinag-uusapan natin dito ay ang simpleng paglalakad araw-araw. Yes, just walking. It's one of the most underrated forms of exercise, yet it's accessible, free, and incredibly beneficial for both your physical and mental health, especially when you're aiming for weight loss. Marami sa atin ang iniisip agad, kailangan ko magbuhat ng bakal, or kailangan ko tumakbo ng marathon. While those are great, for many, they can be intimidating starting points. Ang maganda sa paglalakad, halos lahat kaya itong gawin. Just a 30-minute brisk walk, meaning medyo mabilis na lakad, yung tipong pinapawisan ka na ng konti at medyo hinihingal, can burn anywhere from 150 to 300 calories, depende sa intensity ng lakad mo at sa timbang mo. That really adds up over time. Ang kagandahan pa nito, pwede mo tong gawin habang nag-enjoy ka. Pwede kang makinig sa paborito mong music or podcast, which can make the time fly by. Or, kung kailangan mo mag-multitask, pwede mo tong gawin habang nagpi-Facebook ka. Basta safe at aware ka sa surroundings mo. Or habang kausap mo ang isang kaibigan sa phone. The key is to find what makes it enjoyable for you so it doesn't feel like a chore. Pwede mo ring i-integrate ang paglalakad sa daily routine mo. Instead of taking the elevator, use the stairs. Kung malapit lang ang pupuntahan mo, lakarin mo na lang instead of taking a tricycle or jeep. Chapter 4. Kontrolin ang pagkain sa gabi, dinner discipline para sa magandang resulta. Okay team, let's talk about tip number 4, which focuses on our eating habits as the day winds down. Watch your dinner habits. Marami sa atin, dito nagkakamali. After a long day, we tend to either overeat at dinner or indulge in late-night snacks, thinking we deserve it. While treating yourself occasionally is fine, consistent heavy eating before bed can sabotage your weight loss efforts. Ang pinaka-importante dito ay iwasan ang heavy meals at unhealthy snacks bago matulog. Kapag kumain ka ng marami, lalo na ng mga pagkaing mataba o mahirap i-digest, tapos humiga ka na at natulog, hindi mo natutunaw agad ng maayos ang kinain mo. Your metabolism naturally slows down at night, and your digestive system isn't as active when you're asleep. This can lead to indigestion, acid reflux, and, importantly, fat storage. So, anong klaseng dinner ang mas okay? Mas maganda kung light lang ang dinner mo. Think about foods that are easy to digest and won't sit heavily in your stomach. Some great options include a warm bowl of vegetable soup, a fresh salad with some lean protein like grilled chicken or fish, or perhaps some scrambled or boiled itlog with a side of steamed gulay. Chapter 5. Matulog ng tama. Ang kahalagahan ng pahinga sa pagbabawas ng timbang. Our last tip, but definitely not the least, in fact, it's super important. Matulog ng tama. This is often the most overlooked aspect of a healthy lifestyle and weight management plan. We focus so much on diet and exercise that we forget about the crucial role that sleep plays. Kung gusto mo talagang pumayat at maging healthy, you need to prioritize your sleep. Kapag kulang ka sa tulog, nagkakaroon ng imbalance sa hormones mo na direktang nakakaapekto sa appetite at cravings mo. For example, tumataas ang level ng hormone na tinatawag na ghrelin. Ang ghrelin ay kilala bilang hunger hormone. Ito yung nagpapadala ng signal sa utak mo na gutom ka, kumain ka. So the less you sleep, the more ghrelin your body produces, leading to increased hunger and cravings, especially for high-calorie, sugary, and fatty foods. Sa kabilang banda, kapag kulang ka sa tulog, bumababa naman ang level ng leptin. Ang leptin ay ang satiety hormone. Ito yung nagsasabi sa utak mo na busog ka na, tama na ang kain. So with lower leptin levels due to sleep deprivation, you don't get that signal of fullness as effectively, making you more prone to overeating. It's a double whammy. You feel hungrier and you don't feel full as easily. Outro, recap at palala, kaya mo to! So ayan guys, that wraps up our 5 ways paano mabilis pumayat na safe at healthy. Let's do a quick recap of what we talked about today. Una, uminom ng tubig bago kumain to help control your appetite and aid digestion. Pangalawa, mag-focus sa whole foods, real, unprocessed ingredients that nourish your body. Pangatlo, maglakad araw-araw, simply, accessible, and effective. Pang-apat, kontrolin ang pagkain sa gabi, opting for lighter meals and avoiding late-night heavy snacking. At pang-lima, at napaka-importante, matulog ng tama, aiming for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep. Tandaan nyo, hindi mo kailangang magutom o uminom ng kung ano-anong pills o magical concoctions para pumayat. Ang sekreto ay consistency, tamang disiplina, at pag-adopt ng isang healthy na lifestyle na sustainable para sa'yo. It's about making small, smart choices every single day that add up to big results over time. It's a journey, not a race, and it's about feeling good and being healthy, not just about a number on the scale. Be patient with yourself and celebrate every small victory. Kung nagustuhan mo tong video at nahanap mong helpful ang mga tips na sinare ko, please give it a like! Malaking tulong yan sa channel. Also, comment below kung anong tip ang pinaka nagustuhan mo or kung anong tip ang gusto mong subukan simula ngayon. I'd love to hear from you. And of course, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell para lagi kang updated sa mga bago nating uploads. Kaya mo to. Let's all strive to be healthier together, one step at a time. See you on the next video!